What's up, guys, and welcome to part 2 of rebuilding the fort. Since our last video, it's been a few weeks. I decided to post it just more on that Sunday. But it's been a minute. I did get some more work done, so there is less grass. So there is less grass around the place. But we've had a few storms lately, and because of those storms, something extremely bad happened. Yeah, so the door kind of decided it doesn't want to be nice anymore, and it fell. So we're going to be fixing up the door, hopefully, and yeah, we can get continuing on with this rebuilding the fort. Had to get out my cutting bench. So what we're doing is we got these pieces, right? Basically door hinges. They're for cabinets, but they open and they close. So there's little divots in there, right? What you got to do is you're going to screw out a little bit of a gap so that we can put these in, and then they can get attached to the door right there and work. So we're going to want it maybe around the edge. Alright, so change of plans. Kind of broke the thing to get this, so we're using the old pieces because they should fit in pretty perfectly. Alright, so before we actually install the door, we got to fix something. Before the door broke, I had dug out a little area so the door could actually open. But now, because of the rain, it has become extremely muddy. So I got some wood planks. We're going to put it kind of across, make it like a nice doorway, you know, just something nice to wipe your feet on or something. I don't know. So we're going to install that real quick. All right, here we go. Something better than just like mud. There's a lot of mud seeping in right here, but hopefully, since the summer's here, the rain will stop and the mud can dry up. Wanted man and an outlaw, and raging on the run, a public enemy #1. Lone wolf and I'm ready for hire. Target set and I open fire. Lone wolf and I'm ready for hire. All right, that should do it. Where did I put that? You guys ready? Watch this. Fully working door. You can open it, you can close it. See what a door does. Come on in. Just kidding, I'm not going to show you that yet. But yeah, we did it. We finished the door. Made this quick door handle because the old way was this was here, and then you shoved a stick between these two and they'd get stuck. But now you go like this and it opens. Perfect. And then if you're not using it, you can just put it up like that, or could put it down like that, and then just shut the door on it. Take off the little things. So now, boom, you can slide in and actually hold it, or hold it from the top, your choice. And then on the inside, I'm gonna set up a similar situation. But that is the end of today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. See you guys in the next part.